Okay, it's going to be a fix it or repair it video for the plastic cover on the gear stick. They all seem to go like this, seems to be a common thing. And I had spoke to BMW and they said that you can only buy the whole gear shifter and they want 1500 quid for that. So I went, no, that's alright. I'll look on eBay, but the ones on eBay all have a similar problem anyway, or this is completely missing. There is an alternative. If you have a look on Aliexpress, you can get a replacement there, and these are 40 quid or thereabouts, £37 it was. It isn't exactly the same by the looks of it. The M is just slightly different, maybe the font's slightly different, but it is slightly smaller as well. So, I don't know, it's about the same. Maybe there's a bigger gap around it, but I'm going to see if I can get it out, see if I can sand it down and maybe put a coat of resin on there, see if that's a viable option. So I've got a hairdryer handy, I'm going to heat it up with that, even though it's see it moving. Because it's quite slippery. Nearly went at the bottom then. It's melting the... There it goes. It's off. Oh, it's hot. There you go, I've just got a bit of glue on the back. Bit of double-sided tape. Right. Let's see if I can get this, get it in the shed and sand it down. The bench, I've cut a little piece of A4 document sleeve, plastic, stuck it to the back of the glue. Try and preserve that a little bit, rather than take it right straight away. The sandpaper I've got, I wanted to start with 240 really. I've only got 180, a bit of worn out 180 is the finest I've got. Of course this I've got for the, then I've got 400, 800, 1500 and 2500, and after that car polish is going to be what I'll be using, a bit of what's it called, auto sol, chrome cleaner, something like that. I'm going to start very gently with water as well, just take off the worst of it. Seeing there they're really deep gouges, so maybe I will have to go to 120, I'm not sure. Let's see how thick that piece is to start. About 3mm. 2mm at that end. Just on 3 there. 2.84. That one, I tried that one in there, it fits perfectly. And really, looking at it, yeah, the font is a little different. But you'd have to have really good eyes to notice it wasn't. The only other difference is that it's printed. Oh no, it isn't. It is underneath. It looked like it wasn't, but it is. It's got double-sided on the back and the white paint to diffuse, whereas that one's got black and just the white squares where the lights shine through. Right, let's give this a go. Time is just gone 1/4 to 2. So we'll see how long it takes and whether it's worth it at all. Put it in time lapse. I managed to find some 240 in the end. That's definitely the one to start with. It does seem like there's some sort of a lacquer on there, and it's chipped through that. But that's been going, yeah, 10 minutes, just over 10 minutes, and it's already looking much better. You get these deep scratches out here, and a little scuff just up there where it's really deep, and I think that'll polish up alright. You can just see on the edges where the sort of the coating changes. I just feel like there's some sort of a, maybe a sprayed on or a two-part finish on there. Okay, carry on. Well, that's 40 minutes that took, or thereabouts. Gone up to 2,500. I'm going to go and get the chrome polish. Give that polish up. I think that's come up respectable. Let's see if you was on a budget. Well, that's polished. It looks, well, 10 times better than what it did before, easily. This is Auto Sol metal polish. Used on chrome a lot, but it's rescued many plastic things for me. Scratches in, does really well at getting them out. Let's see what it does now. Look at that already. That is amazing. And you can still see some scratches at the top, but compared to what that started with, if you took a little bit longer over it, I'm pretty sure you could get that looking perfect, pretty near perfect. Right, I'll do a close-up shot on the camera. Got white under there now, so good. But definitely seems like some sort of lack on there. Right, I'll do a close-up shot. You guys can decide for yourself. Other than that, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you later. There it is, all installed. Now, have a guess in the comments which one I put back in there.